Hello guys, this is Wasabiloose Productions here, and today I have a review of the Celluon Epic Laser Projection Keyboard. This is a wireless Bluetooth keyboard that connects instantly to any device you have, whether that be computer, or a tablet, or phone. We'll start with the box. Right when you open the box, you have the Epic keyboard, and then take the plate out and you have a user guide and a quick guide to set up your keyboard, and then below that you have a plastic bag containing your charging cable. It's a standard charging cable pretty much. Onto the Epic itself. The Epic is very small, very light, made to fit in your pocket and carry with you wherever you go. It's very cool. Very unique design. On the front, there is the laser projection part itself at the top there. There are two lights there. The top one indicates whether you're in mouse mode or keyboard mode. I'll explain that later. And the bottom one shows if you're charging or not. And I forget which one it is. One of these projects the sensor. On the back you have the simple power switch and a flap. Lift that flap up. And you have the pairing button. Oops. Sorry. Hold on a second, guys. You have the pairing button and the charging cable port. Now to turn it on, flip the switch in the back, and it projects a keyboard onto the surface. Now let me turn out the light so you can see this a lot better. Now with the camera, it's not going to look that well. It probably looks a lot blurry. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, anyway, with the camera it looks very blurry, but in real life it's a lot sharper, and it is very cool. Very cool. Right now the top blue light is blinking because it is not paired with any computer or anything, but normally that'll be on. And so yeah, you can type very fast. I'm still learning how to use it, so I'm not that good at typing with it yet, so I'm not that accurate, but everyone says that once you learn how to type with it, you can type very accurately. And this keyboard is very cool. If you press fin and back, it goes into power saver mode, and tap with 3 fingers it comes back on. And also if you press, I believe, as far as I remember, fin, that button, it goes into a mode where you can use it as a mouse with your computer or Windows tablet or Samsung tablet. And what's nice about this keyboard is normally when you type it makes these loud beeping noises, and I didn't really like that, so luckily you're able to adjust the volume, and right now I have it muted. You can adjust the volume as well as sensitivity, and you can also adjust the brightness of the keyboard. Right now the brightness is all the way up. So yeah, how this keyboard works is the top there projects the red color through lasers in it, the laser keyboard part, and I keep forgetting whether it's the middle or the bottom. It might be both. It projects a invisible light which senses where your fingers are and what you touch, and that's what registers what keys you're pressing. Guys, this is me typing with the Celluon Epic just to show that it works. And I type pretty well, considering I am holding the camera with my one hand and I'm typing with my other hand. But so yeah, as you can see, it works fairly well. The Celluon looks very cool projected onto the wall. Not that this really is the use of the keyboard, but it's very cool. So yeah, that's basically the wall, which is very far away, and it just looks really cool in person. All in all, I do recommend getting this. It is very cool, and once you learn how to use it, you can be pretty accurate with typing with it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this review. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and as always, be sure to watch more.